tuning into today's video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're not, welcome back. So today's video is going to be quite short. The only thing I wanted to come on and talk about was really just how long this As I Am hair color has lasted. So right now I am on, so I put the color in on a Tuesday and today is Sunday. So it has been 6 days, including the day that I applied it. It has been 6 days that I've had this color in my hair, okay? And so I just want to share my 6-day experience with you guys. I wanted to show you guys what the color looks like after 6 days. And I also wanted to answer some questions that you guys dropped below my Instagram picture and my IG reel that I posted, okay? So yeah, this is 6 days in. You guys can see the color is still really vibrant. You guys can see my roots. I don't know if my roots are growing out or if the color is just fading, but my roots are a bit more black, and at the start, you know, it was a lot more golden up in my roots. So over the course of 6 days, you know, I have been touching my hair a lot. I'm a toucher. I be in it all day. I've also been I haven't really been laying on stuff or really rubbing my head in anything because I was very aware that I had this color in my hair and I'm not messing up my stuff, okay? So yeah, I was just very aware. So I know my hands were in it a lot, but besides that, I haven't really touched my hair. I haven't really rubbed my head on anything. So yeah, the color is still really vibrant. So when I posted on Instagram, a lot of people thought that I actually dyed my hair because the color looks so real and so rich. But yeah, it's the curl color collection, y'all. I'm telling you, like, look at this color. This is 6 days in, and they said like you have to wash it out for it to be completely gone, even though mine has faded just a bit and you can see some of my natural color kind of peeking through. This is still after 6 days, okay? So yeah, my wash day is coming up. Tuesday is when I'll be rinsing it out. So I'll have a complete 7-day wash cycle. So I will be wearing this for exactly a week. So I do want to answer the questions about residue. Residue is really the most asked question. Does it transfer? Does it get on your stuff? Can I rub my head in my pillows? So what I want to say about the transfer is that yes, it does transfer, okay? That is the answer to the question. Yes, it does transfer. But I want to tell you my complete experience with the product transferring onto clothes, car seats, etc. So the first day that I took out my braids, my hair was like heavily moisturized. Like the curl color alone is really moisturizing and really hydrating. So although my braids were completely dry, the product was still really concentrated on my strands, if that makes sense. And it wasn't fully, my hair didn't fully soak in all of the product. So I did have transfer the first 2 days. My shoulders were like reddish orange. But going into the 3rd day and the days after that, I've had no transfer. Like, I don't know, my hair is a lot more drier now. It has soaked up a lot of the product throughout the week. So I think that definitely helped with less transfer. So yeah, the first 2 days I had a transfer, but after that, it's been smooth sailing. I've had no transfer, but now I can literally rub on it, like, you know, rub on my hair and have no transfer. So let's see, let's make sure this is clear shot so you guys can see. No transfer. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and be really transparent with this product because I don't want you guys to go out and like try it and then you end up ruining your clothes or like your car seat or your white pillows, you know what I'm saying? So for me, my personal experience, the first 2 days, I did have a transfer, and then the 3rd day my hair really soaked up a majority of everything. And yeah, after that I didn't really have a transfer like that. For me, the transfer didn't bother me within the first 2 days because I didn't wear anything that I could mess up. You know, I would just be mindful, you know what I'm saying, when you have this in. It's fun to just do a little switch up and like change your hair color for a weekend. Like, I still think As I Am did such an amazing job with this product. Like, The fact that this is my day 6 hair and I have such good definition still and the color is still so vibrant. I'm still all for it. You guys have been showing me so much love on social media about the hair color. Y'all have been wanting me to actually dye my actual hair. I know a lot of people are going to be confused when I switch back to my black hair. I know a lot of you guys are thinking about trying this, especially after I put out my content, and I wanted to answer any questions you guys might have had about the product transferring, okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning into this short little video. So if you have tried the Curl Color Collection by As I Am, comment below your experience. Comment if you had any problems with it transferring. You may be able to help out some other girls in the comments. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.